We have 2 games we're gonna play today. They are super fun.
We actually came up with a multicultural game kit.
One game is from Egypt. It's called Drop the Handkerchief.
It's really crazy fast.
Find your line. Perfect. Raise your hand if you know something super cool about Egypt.
It kind of opens up the kids' world map of where is this location, and then it brings up like just natural curiosity.
Oh my God.
Our second game we're playing is a game from China. It is called Jianzi.
They are staff-led at first, just so we can teach the tradition and the reasons behind the games.
It was initially used as a military exercise to keep soldiers active and fit. It dates back to the Han Dynasty. That was close.
The games are really, really old, but the kids still think it's relevant today. So it stood the test of time. We're so pleased that we keep being able to get these grants from AHEF. We're able to have K through 5 participate in these, and it's, over 2,000 children.